Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best ceramic tile floor cleaners available on the market right now. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, a premium all-in-one solution, or something in between, I've got you covered. Remember, you can find links to all the products mentioned in the description below. Let's jump right into the countdown. Starting at number 5, we have the Bona Multi-Surface Cleaning Machine Concentrate. This floor cleaner is specifically formulated for use with upright, hard floor cleaning machines, like the Bissell Crosswave and Hoover Power Dash. The concentrated formula is designed to tackle tough dirt and grime, while leaving behind a refreshing lemon mint scent, making it both effective and pleasant to use. One standout feature of this cleaner is its eco-friendly formulation. It's water-based, biodegradable, and free from harsh chemicals like ammonia, formaldehyde, and parabens. This makes it a safer choice for homes with kids and pets. The product is also certified by the US EPA for safer ingredients. However, keep in mind that this cleaner is a concentrate, so you'll need to follow the instructions for dilution. While it's great for machine use, it may not be as convenient for those who prefer spray mops or manual cleaning methods. The Bona Multi-Surface Cleaning Machine Concentrate is ideal for those who already own a compatible cleaning machine and want an eco-friendly, high-performance option. While it didn't quite make the top spot, it's an excellent choice for homes with sealed tile, laminate, and stone floors. The main downside here is the lack of a ready-to-use formulation, which might add an extra step for some users. If you're okay with that, this cleaner is definitely worth considering. At number 4, we have the Stardrops Pink Stuff Miracle All-Purpose Floor Cleaner. If you're looking for a cleaner that can handle high-traffic areas while leaving a fresh, long-lasting scent, this one is a strong contender. Sold in a value pack of 2 67.6 fleeter ounces bottles, it offers great quantity for large cleaning tasks. This cleaner excels in versatility. It's safe for a variety of sealed surfaces, including ceramic tile, laminate, and vinyl. The streak-free formula ensures your floors look polished without any residue, and the pleasant scent helps eliminate unwanted odors. While its cleaning power is impressive, it's worth noting that this product is not as eco-friendly as some others on this list, as specific certifications for biodegradability or chemical safety are not mentioned. The Stardrops Pink Stuff is best suited for homeowners looking for a reliable, everyday cleaner for sealed floors. The large bottles are great for frequent usage, making it a good value pick. However, the lack of a ready-to-use spray option might be inconvenient for some. Still, if you're seeking a strong all-purpose cleaner with a pleasant fragrance, this is a fantastic choice. Coming in at number 3 is the Bona Spray Mop Air. This lightweight and compact mop is designed for convenience and functionality, combining a refillable floor cleaner cartridge with an easy-to-store spray mop. It's perfect for smaller spaces or anyone who values portability in their cleaning tools. The Bona Spray Mop Air comes with a lemon mint-scented cleaner concentrate, which you dilute directly in the mop's cartridge. The microfiber cleaning pad is a standout feature, as it's reusable and washable up to 500 times, making it a sustainable option compared to disposable pads. The ergonomic design ensures it's easy to maneuver, especially in tight spaces. This mop is an excellent choice for anyone with multi-surface floors who wants an all-in-one solution. Its compact design makes it ideal for apartments or homes with limited storage. However, it lacks the heavy-duty cleaning power of the higher-ranked products on this list, making it better suited for light to moderate cleaning tasks. At $24.99, it strikes a good balance between affordability and functionality. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Zepp Luxury Vinyl Ceramic and Porcelain Floor Cleaner. This budget-friendly option delivers impressive performance at just $8.98 for a 64-ounce bottle, making it the most affordable product on our list. What sets Zepp apart is its ready-to-use formula that's compatible with all spray mops. This cleaner is dye-free, ensuring it won't damage grout or delicate surfaces. It also leaves a streak-free finish with a protective layer to prevent future stains. The clean scent is subtle and won't overpower your space, which is a nice touch. The ZEP floor cleaner is perfect for homeowners who want an effective yet affordable option for ceramic tile and other hard surfaces. While it doesn't offer the eco-friendly certifications of pricier auctions, its performance and price make it a standout for budget-conscious users. The main drawback is its basic formulation, which lacks the premium features of higher-end products, but for the price, it's hard to beat. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Bona Premium Multi-Surface Floor Spray Mop. This premium option is a complete cleaning system, combining a high-quality spray mop with a refillable cleaner cartridge and a machine-washable microfiber cleaning pad. The Bona Premium Spray Mop is designed for both performance and sustainability. The included cleaning solution is water-based, biodegradable, and free of harmful chemicals, making it safe for people, pets, and the planet. The mop itself is lightweight yet durable, with thoughtful features like a secondary grip, flexible rubber corners, and a retractable hook for easy storage. The microfiber pad can be washed up to 500 times, reducing waste and saving you money in the long run. This is the ideal choice for anyone who wants a top-of-the-line cleaning solution for ceramic tile and other hard floors. While it's the most expensive product on this list at $41.94, its ease of use, eco-friendly design, and superior cleaning performance make it well worth the investment. If you're looking for the best of the best, the Bona Premium Spray Mop is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect ceramic tile floor cleaner for your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Until next time, happy cleaning.